Hi, I'm Beth. Welcome to my YogiBethC YouTube channel. I want to offer you the opportunity to personalize your yoga practice by inviting you to join me in my VIP yoga series. So VIP stands for Variations for Individualized Practice. These are a series of short tutorials. They're about 10 to 15 minutes in length. Each tutorial focuses on one specific yoga pose. So far I've done child's pose, tree pose, forward fold, other common poses that you'll see in yoga class. The VIP part, again, is the opportunity to individualize your practice to you. Every body is different, so every yoga pose should look different as well. We will not look the same in our poses. Yoga needs to be accessible to all bodies and all abilities, and that's my goal in these tutorial style videos. So in the videos, you'll see that I use a lot of props and offer many different variations so that you can find what feels best in your body. I'm not going to be able to cover every single variation out there. There's a number of variations. There's pretty much countless, but I'll show you some of the most common ways that you can vary the position of your arms, your feet, vary the position of your body, standing, seated, lying, and that you can use props to adjust your practice and incorporate it, making it more comfortable for you. So you can check out the VIP yoga series up here at the corner. And as always, if you have any questions, requests, comments, please feel free to leave those in the comments below. Thank you so much.